Hi everyone. Today I found that I have long time not to update my toolboxes, and recently the dual PLA is very popular. So I try to find a useful and beautiful model to print it. As before, I download the STL from Thingiverse. Here I attach the link for all you guys. And thank you Mr. M to share this mermaid model. Here I attach the normal settings. Printing temperature. Supports setting. Smooth surface. Better layer bonding. Also I try red to gold colors, silver to copper, purple to green. I like purple to green best. You can also try it.